my name is Rosalind. This is my 11th YouTube video. I'm going to make a video today about Petro's whooping cough spell. After 5 days, his whooping cough had progressed into the typical whoop, but his mom had never heard it. And at one point it subsided, and then once the dad got, so they figured it was just a normal cold, and then the dad got it on video, and the, was it pediatrician diagnosed it as whooping cough. He was sick for months. There's so many people not vaccinating nowadays for fear of autism that the problem is these diseases will spread. Just like there was an outbreak of measles in Scarborough, that's in Canada. It's scary. His whole family had to take antibiotics for whooping cough. And it can kill a small infant in no time. Adults should receive the diphtheria pertussis shot every 10 years. Like I said, it starts out in the trachea. And then what did they say? It spread.
Cause inflammation in the lungs.
And it causes inflammation in the lungs. So, a good way to protect you, your friends and family, and the rest of the community is to get the diphtheria pertussis shot. Thank you for watching.